If you'd like to see how I'm going to transform these plain pink Croc slides into these lovely, glamorous, rhinestone, bling, embellished Croc slides, keep watching this video. Hey YouTube! So today I am going to be embellishing these Croc slides for my niece. Her birthday is coming up. She's going to be 16 years old and she's going on a trip for her birthday to Universal Studios. So when she goes on her trip, she wants to be fly. And I'm going to be using E6000 glue, a wax pickup tool to pick up the rhinestones and pearls. I will have a link available if you need to purchase one of those. A good nail file to sand them down, and alcohol to wipe them off to make sure there's no dust or debris left on your shoe. Make sure you wipe the shoes off very well to remove all the dust and debris from them. Here are some of the charms I made to start these Crocs off with. First, I like to put the Croc charms inside of the holes. This is like me laying my foundation. I like to make sure that all of the holes are filled. And I make a lot of my Croc charms, and then I also have the luxury designer charms. I do have a link to where you can purchase the charms if you'd like to. And then I have also done a video showing you how I make these little button Croc charms. These charms are so pretty, and I think they just really get me motivated to really do my thing with the shoe. And they look cute just like this if you add nothing else to them, but I'm gonna take it to another level. So first I'm just gonna add a little bit of E6000 glue. I like to start in the front and kind of line the front area with glue, and then I start to apply the pearls and rhinestones. So I just kind of go around the outer edge and just kind of fill everything else in between. I go in between all of the charms, and I'm just taking my time. I have this pink 6mm pearl, and it's like basically the exact same color as the shoe, and I really like how this looks a lot. So just watch me go ahead and fill in all these spaces, and that's pretty much what I'm going to be doing. Now I'm adding a nice hefty amount of glue because I have these gems that I'm placing on now, and they do not have a flat back to them. Most of the things I use have a flat back. These are a little raised in the back, so I just want to make sure that they're really setting in that glue very well so that they do not come off. You want to make sure you use enough glue to where you're not having things falling off of people's shoes, or even if you're doing your own shoes, you don't want to have things falling off of them. And this is just a close-up angle, just showing you how I really try to get in between those very small areas. So with that being said, it's always good to use multiple sizes of pearls and rhinestones. My main size that I use in rhinestones is a 5mm, but I also like to have a 3 and a 4mm available to get in those even smaller areas. I think it just looks a lot better when there's not so much spaces showing. But if you're using bigger gems and that's all you have, that's fine too. It depends on the look you're going for. I like a full look. I've actually done a pink pair of Croc slides before, one that I did for myself. I did a video maybe a month or two ago, and I love pink. So these are super cute. Mine didn't come with the Croc charm inside of it, but I want to say I have evolved since I did my own Crocs, and these look way better than mine. Way better. I just like that I could see the progression. So the more you do this, you'll definitely get better over time. If you look at the first pair of Crocs I did, it's a major difference than what I'm doing now. So have a little confidence in yourself if you're doing this for yourself, or if you want to start a business making designing other people's Crocs. Just trust the process and what you're doing, and just look at your old work and your new work and kind of see how you're going to a different level with it. Now I'm starting on the second shoe. I already added all the charms off camera. I made all of these charms as well, except for the luxury charms. You see that little purple one and the pink one, it looks like it's a little block. I love those, I do. And I love that big blingy one, and I love this big spiky one. That one took about 20 spikes to do. It was kind of time consuming, but I think I'll start to make them and add them to the website as well. These little teardrop or water drop blingy rhinestones, I do now have them on the website for purchase. If you're interested in those, they're at myroyalradiance.com, and those are available for purchase. I have a lot of the rhinestone, a lot of the charms are sold out, simply because they sell out so fast. So bear with me. I just try to make sure I restock as much as I can, as quickly as I can. But Crocs are definitely a hot item right now with the charms. So also when I'm doing people Crocs and adding the bling and everything to them, I do always ask what their favorite color is, or if there's a certain theme they're going for. She told me that I can go ahead and do what I want, but I know that she likes pink and purple. So that's why I made those little square pink and purple charms. But she pretty much let me have my way, and I really like it like that. Either way is fine, but she absolutely loved these Crocs. Love, love, love. And she went to Universal Studios for her birthday trip, and she had such a great time. And people were just looking at her shoes, asking her about them. Like, she got a lot of attention with these shoes, so they were definitely a big hit. Okay, you guys, here is the final finished result of these Croc slides. I absolutely love them. I think these charms are so chunky and blingy and just gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. And again, like I said, I think I'm going to start making more of these charms. They are time consuming, but I think I will start to make more and add them to the website. I have a few on the website now, but I definitely will be adding more because people have been asking me. And I just think that when the charms are just extra cute, everything else will kind of fall into place. So that's why I like to fill up all the holes first and just make sure that everything is covered as far as that goes. I don't like to see those Croc holes. I just don't. So I think these came out so pretty. Everything is just so sparkly. And just imagine how pretty these look in the sunlight. Thanks you guys for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. Share this video on Facebook or share it with someone who you think would like something like this. And if you are starting your own business and decorating people's shoes, just try your best to be as creative as possible. Offer something that other people aren't. That'll make you stand out even better. And that's if you're making your own Croc charms or whatever. And if you're interested in buying rhinestones and pearls wholesale, I do have my vendors list available for purchase. I do also encourage people to do their own research. And I do have my vendor, my one vendor where I purchase my Croc charms from, my luxury charms. I have my vendor available for sale as well if you're interested in that. And I just hit 8,000 subscribers. And I am so excited and so grateful for that. So hello to all my new subscribers. Hello to all my subscribers. And I really appreciate you watching my videos. And if you're watching this video and you decide not to subscribe, thank you so much anyway for stopping by. And be sure to check out my playlist that I have with all Crocs. I have a whole playlist with Crocs only and other shoes that I've embellished as well. Thanks again, you guys. Bye-bye.